Somebody's fucking Taylor dinner every nighttime. Smoking that dope off the floor, let me bump. Hopefully don't come, don't fuck with y'all. Spray paint the walls with blood and whatever. Drag you outside, let you rot in the weather. I don't think I can explain any better. I'm scarecrow to terror and live for the lesson. My birth was a miracle.